If your LG ice maker stopped producing because the feeler arm is jammed, you can likely fix it without calling a technician. Over 60% of ice maker service calls are actually caused by simple mechanical jams or ice buildup. Before we start, always unplug your refrigerator or flip the circuit breaker to ensure your safety. Start by clearing out the ice bin so you can get a clear view of the feeler arm assembly. Look closely for an ice bridge or a dislodged spring that might be preventing the arm from swinging freely. Gently wiggle the arm. It should move smoothly with a slight spring-back tension if it is functioning correctly. If the arm is rigid, it is likely a jam. If it moves but nothing happens, the internal motor may have failed. Fixing a stuck arm yourself costs nothing, while a professional repair can easily exceed $200. Use a hair dryer on low heat to melt any hidden ice inside the pivot mechanism that you cannot see. You only need basic household items like a hair dryer and a screwdriver to complete this repair. Remember, never force the arm manually, or you might snap the plastic gears inside the motor. Once the arm moves freely, your ice production should resume within 24 hours. Thanks for watching.